Hi, in this session we are going to explore what are primaries and elections. The primary season is upon us. A primary election is where the voters choose between candidates within one political party. Right now, since we have an incumbent president running on the Republican ticket, we are really only paying attention to those in the Democratic Party. A general election is where the voters actually choose the candidate for office, which will be the current president plus the Democratic nominee. For example, in the past, we've had Romney versus McCain, Obama versus Clinton. In the upcoming election, we are looking at Bernie Sanders versus Joe Biden and several others who are still running. In the general election, where they can choose the candidate for office, some examples are McCain versus Obama, Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton, and then Donald Trump versus the Democratic nominee. The outcomes of the primaries held early in the year greatly influence who wins the later primaries. This is why you're hearing so much on the news about the primaries each day. As a result, candidates spend more time and money in states with early primaries. More states, in turn, are scheduling their elections earlier than they ever have before. For example, in 2004, only 9 states held primaries before February 5th. In 2008, 22 states held elections on or before February 5th. The primary calendar kicks off with the Iowa caucus. In 2008, the date was January 3rd, followed by the Wyoming caucus, which is Republican only, which we have not heard about this year. Then there's New Hampshire, and then Super Tuesday. And this year, Super Tuesday fell on March 3rd. And then we're going to follow and look at subsequent states. Kentucky is another big one. In a closed primary, only voters who are registered in the party can choose a candidate. McCain could vote in a Republican primary between Giuliani, Romney, and Thompson. Obama, as a registered Democrat, could not vote. So in those states where there is a closed primary, Republicans are unable to vote on the Democratic nominee. In an open primary, voters can choose for a candidate whether or not they're registered in the party.